Hi, I'm Rory Williamson, Chief Executive of IMET Alloys. IMET Alloys is a global materials management company specializing in the control, management and recycling of superalloy and titanium revert. Revert is the scrap metal that's generated during the manufacturing process or end-of-life processes of the aerospace, gas turbine and oil and gas industries. Revert is any metal, superalloy and titanium, that can be taken and directed after processing back into a melt to make the same alloy. IMET Alloys chose Union County and Monroe primarily because of the aerospace cluster which has been established here over the past 10 to 15 years. In a 7-mile radius in this area, there are just under 20 aerospace-related companies, and with that comes easy access to a skilled workforce, a community that's focused on the aerospace industry and manufacturing, and clearly companies that can potentially be our business partners. The aerospace industry really started in the late 50s when James Nesbitt established All-Vac, now known as ATI All-Vac or ATI Specialty Materials. ATI are now a worldwide leader in vacuum induction melting and the creation and manufacturing of titanium and superalloys. Operating in the aerospace industry, we're required to maintain exceptionally high quality standards, and the workforce of Union County is absolutely crucial to our business. Just outside of the city, in Union County, you can break out of the fast city life and have access to fantastic schools, community colleges, any outdoor pursuit that you can possibly think of. It's all here in Union County. In addition, with a less than 45-minute drive from Monroe, we have access to an international airport with fantastic domestic links and international connections. Monroe-Union County economic development was instrumental in helping IMET establish their business in the area. They're a well-respected organization. They have access to key contacts in the community. They have great connections when it comes to licensing, permitting, utilities, any incentive programs that are going on. They are incredibly engaging, supportive and interested in what the business is doing and how we're doing, and really just do whatever it takes to help us get the job done here.
Hello, I'm Marty Moffitt, Vice President and General Manager here at the Cyril Bath Company in Monroe, North Carolina. The Cyril Bath Company designs and builds stretch forming equipment that's used in making aluminum fuselage skins for the commercial aerospace industry. In addition, we also make titanium parts using a special patented hot stretch forming process for the new Boeing 787 airplane. So you might want to know why we chose Monroe and Union County, North Carolina for our site location. The number one reason was the great quality of life and cost of living for our employees. We also discovered favorable state and local governments that are managed by the local Union County Monroe Business Development Office. And the third most important reason was that we are close to other aerospace companies and a couple of key suppliers of our industry. In the 30 years that we've been here in Monroe, we have found a large pool of skilled and dedicated workers that we can use in our growth plans. Over the years, the Monroe-Union County Economic Development Office has been very instrumental in supporting us as we negotiate with state and local governments, and they also give us great guidance in terms of our growth plans.